Hi guys, in today's video we're going to go through what is the premium package from Twitter and X, what they offer you, how much you have to pay, and what you're gonna get at the end of the day. Let's launch the Twitter app first. So guys, if you scroll down, you will have a premium section in your settings right under the monetization. When you click on premium, you will see that Premium Plus is the current package offered from the X platform. So first of all, as you can see, they're going to offer you a Grok Early Access, which is like a version of ChatGPT that they created on their own. Okay, you're not gonna get ads in For You page. Okay, so you're not gonna have issues with that. This is something like you paying for YouTube Premium. You watch videos without ads. Then you have a reply boost. We have edit post. When you post on Twitter, you cannot edit your post. If you misspell something, you have to delete it. So it's good that you have this function. Longer posts, right? You're no longer limited to particular, search terms or particular keywords or characters. You can also undo post. This is good because, as we all know, sometimes you don't have other option. You just have to delete it because you don't have undo post. You can post longer videos. Essentially, you'll see a lot of people shifting from YouTube towards to Twitter, right? So this is something that you also want to pay attention to if you're up to posting long form content. Also, you have top articles, you have reader, which if you click on the small information, read long threads minus the distractions. So again, this is removing the ads, making it easier for you to engage with the content and focus on the content. You have a background video playback, meaning you can play a video on Twitter and you can keep scrolling through the feed and read other Twitter threads, so you don't have to close one piece of content to open another. You're able to download videos, same function as YouTube Premium on YouTube. On the flip side, you have a creator hub, right? This is where you can actually get paid to post. I made a couple of videos on the topic, how to get monetized, how much money you could make, and the best strategy to do so. You want to make sure you check my videos on the topic here on the channel. They also have a created subscription. This is the second option, like I mentioned, for monetization. You have Media Studio, which if you click on the info, it will be manage, measure, and monetize your media on X. That's all about like making money and analytics. Then you're gonna get the verification and security, includes the checkmark, the encrypted direct message, the ID verification, and two-factor authentication. Last but not least, you are going to get customization. You're going to get app icons, you're gonna get bookmark folders, customizable navigation, highlight types, hide your likes, hide your checkmarks. So essentially they compile any like desirable feature from Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and they place it here. It's cool. But I think the prices went up. Now it's starting at $22 when you click on it, right? Essentially, I remember this was like much cheaper. If I'm not mistaken, this was like, to get monetized, it was not to get monetized, to get verification budget was like $10, something like this. You can save if you pay like a annual plan, like $229, right, instead of paying $22, because you're gonna save like $230 versus $265, so you're gonna save like $35. Let me know what you guys think about this. Would you willing to subscribe? I think for people who are making content, makes much more sense than just an average user on the platform. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.